Hey guys, today I will be unboxing and showing you a new product that I got from my van. It's an induction type stove. It's a one burner stove. A couple of videos ago, I went to the beach and made lunch on the beach using my uh, butane stove. And I had mentioned that I thought that the butane fuel had emptied really quickly. I don't remember using it that much, and it was empty, so I had to put in another a butane container for this. I wonder if I should switch over to a propane, which I have used before, and they seem to last longer. Maybe because the container is a little bit smaller than the propane one. I'm not sure, but I was thinking I have a Bluetti 200 Elite and 2000 watts. It should be able to handle what I'm cooking quickly. And if I'm at a campsite, I usually go where they have power, so I can use my induction burner without fear of running out of any kind of fuel. So let me show you what I got. It's called the Amore. When the moon hits you, I like a big pizza pie. It's Amore. Induction cooktop. It was one of the cheapest ones I could find. I'm not sure how these things work. I've never used one before, so this will be my test to see if I like it. And let's see how long it lasts. If I do like it, I will replace it with a better brand. Who knows? This could be a really good brand. I don't know yet, but I can replace it if I need to with another one instead of using fuel and remembering to keep fuel on hand just in case I run out. I will not get rid of my burner that uses the butane, yes, because I live in Florida and we get a lot of power outages when it rains, storms, or hurricane comes through. So I will be keeping that one on hand. Let me go ahead and unbox this one. Let me go ahead and get something to cut this open with. I think I have some scissors around here somewhere. Not. I probably have a knife. Ooh, look, I got a new knife at Walmart. They're on clearance. Sweet. I know I shouldn't be using it for cutting open stuff. This back. Ooh, it's prettiful. Induction cooktop. Environmental protection and energy saving efficiency time. All around intelligent security protection, clean, antibacterial, shock proof shell. It's pretty straightforward, but you do need certain type of let's see, pans. These are the ones they suggest. I think I have a few pans I can use with this. Okay. the plate is hot after cooking, please do not touch with your hand. Okay, I won't. And I think I like this better because this is a small area and flames scare me a little bit. So most of the time I'm cooking outside, but I'd like to cook inside and I won't have to be afraid of flames. So let me go ahead and get an extension cord, plug this in to the Bluetti. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just plugged in the burner and right now it says off. Let me go ahead and hit the on button. It says on. I'm going to pretend I'm boiling some water. It's really cool because it has a timer on it. If you want to heat up some milk, boil some water, cook some soup, and this one is barbecue something. Hot pot off. Yeah. Let's see what the instructions say. Ooh, it's hot in here. It's 95 degrees outside. Whew. Let me see. I need my spectacles. Okay. No, there's nothing on it, maybe. That's why. Okay. So, it won't cook unless there's something on it. Wow, that heat up in 2 seconds. That is hot. Let me get some water. Excuse me. Did you hear that? It went. Okay. Can you believe that? I just turned this on and it's already boiling. No way. Why didn't somebody tell me about this earlier? Yikes. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is like when I first learned about those what do they call it? Not Instapots, the other one. You know what I'm talking about. I was like, why didn't somebody tell me about this earlier? It does have a lot of heat though, so oh, it puts out a lot of heat. But did you see that? It was 2 seconds later this water was boiling. Oh my Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Sweet. Sweet Georgia Brown. Off. I don't know if it continues. Maybe if you take it off. But look at this. It boiled. Let me see. Hold on. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh, wow. That's hot. Imagine if you needed to boil some water just for a shower. It could be done like that. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it, and it took 1% of my Bluetti. My Bluetti down here. It was at 33%. It's now at 32%, and it boiled that water in an instant. Ooh. This is a game changer. Oh, this just might be a game changer. Oh, let me know if you guys have switched over to an induction top cooker, and do you love it? Would you rather have flames? Let me know. I'm going to try this out and see how it works, and I will let you know. Ooh, it's hot in here. Okay, before I go, because I'm going to be using my Bluetti for this induction stovetop. Um, I I don't have solar yet, and but I was thinking about using the Bluetti DC to DC charger. I heard that while you're driving, you can recharge that Bluetti in an instant. Whew, had to come back inside the house. It's hot outside. I think it's like 96 with a heat index of probably a million. Well, anyway, it was so hot the phone said, "It's too hot for me. You gotta take me inside." So I did. So the induction burner. Wow, I can't believe how quick that boiled that water. It's got to be like some weird science. Remember that movie, Weird Science? That was a good one. Well, anyway, this looks like it's gonna be very efficient, quick. Don't have to sit and cook too long. So I think justifying the use of power will be okay. Um, but in regards to power, the only thing I have is my Bluetti Elite 200, which I think is the last one they made. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, that's what I use to keep the refrigerator charged and stuff like that. I don't need to keep it charged while I'm home, but I do anyway because I usually keep some refreshments, some snacks in there just in case on a whim I just want to get up and go. I don't have to worry that the refrigerator is not cool enough to put food inside. Because usually I'll take my lunch and either make it out there or cook it out there. So that being said, I don't have solar yet, but I'm thinking. I was looking at a lot of videos about the Bluetti DC to DC charger. The only concern I have is it going to mess with my alternator? It doesn't look like it will. I might have to upgrade my battery. It's coming up on 5 years old when I got the van. Um, it still has the battery that I bought in it. It still has life. I keep checking it. It's still pretty good. But anyways, DC to DC charger or solar panels. I don't know which one. I might get both because while I'm home, I don't have to have the refrigerator charging off the Bluetti. I can have it charging off solar because where I park the car, no trees, sunshine would be perfect for it. So I don't know what to do yet. Either get maybe a 200 panel and put it on top of the van, keep everything charged that way, or get a DC to DC charger. I don't know. What do you guys have? Tell me. And if you have a DC to DC charger, do you like it? Pros, cons. I don't know. Let's have a conversation. Comment down below. Let me know because I'm open to suggestions. And Bluetti, if you're watching, I might need a DC to DC charger. Just check it out. Just saying. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I need some more subscribers to reach that 1,000 so I can be monetized, so I can buy more stuff, review more stuff, use more stuff, see what works best for me. I don't know. Ready? I have your Elite and I love it. Actually, I have recommended it to a couple of people. Hey, do I get a is there a recommendation program for Bluetti? Let me know. Bye. Subscribe.